Is it time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? In this video, we will explore MicroCloud Hologram in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2024, our system has classified MicroCloud Hologram as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 36.61% since we initially recommended purchasing MicroCloud Hologram 5 days ago. This equates to an average return of 7.32% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. Should the price break above the upper trend line at 671 thousandths, it would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, potentially signaling the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately negative 68.29% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 94.46% to negative 62.67%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about negative 41.93% over the next year, with a potential return varying from negative 100% to 4,826.19%. This corresponds to a price range from $0 to $28.05 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for MicroCloud Hologram includes the headline: Significant fluctuations in MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock price on Friday, moving 37.18% between high and low. The MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock price decreased by 17.93% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, dropping from approximately 0.694 to about 0.569. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 37.18%, with a low of 0.554 and a high of 0.760. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 84.87% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume also declined alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock performance. The trading volume fell by 50 million shares that day, with a total of 110 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $62.37 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $113, while the lowest price recorded was $0.280. Currently, the price is 99.50%, or $112.43, below the 52-week high, and 99.84%, or $349.43, below the all-time high reached on September 19, 2022, when the stock price peaked at $350. MicroCloud Hologram, trading under the symbol HOLO, has recently become part of the phenomenon of meme stocks, known for their volatile nature. As of June 2024, several influential trading figures have played a role in significant surges in the stock price, including a notable increase driven by Keith Gill, known as Roaring Kitty. Such trading dynamics often lead to rapid price fluctuations, creating opportunities for short-term traders while posing serious risks for long-term investors. Despite these short-term gains, the underlying fundamentals of MicroCloud Hologram present a concerning picture. The company is reportedly experiencing declining revenues and a lack of market demand for its products, which severely limits the sustainability of its recent stock performance. Analysts have advised investors to consider profit-taking strategies, especially given the potential for these gains to be temporary. In the short term, investor sentiment may remain elevated due to the excitement surrounding meme-style trading. However, in the long run, the ongoing challenges facing the company could lead to a decline in investor confidence. Therefore, while the current volatility may create short-term opportunities, the longer-term outlook for Holo depends on its ability to innovate and achieve stable revenue growth. Without notable improvements in its financial performance, Holo risks a swift downturn as market participants reassess its value. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroCloud Hologram stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as also a buy. When it comes to return on investment, analysts deliver a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroCloud Hologram. The stock of MicroCloud Hologram Inc. presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During potential corrections, support may be found at levels of 0.464 and 0.486. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yet, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially affecting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 22, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 17.93%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased along with the price on the last trading day, which may mitigate overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 299 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 121 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 108 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroCloud Hologram. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 530 cents and 525 cents. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may result in the stock falling to the next support level. In this case, MicroCloud Hologram Inc. finds support just below today's level at 530 cents. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 525 cents and 462 cents. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 206 cents between its high and low, which is a movement of 37.18%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 40.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio. commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios could suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroCloud Hologram is at $0.585. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroCloud Hologram faces its first support level at $0.530. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2023, when Wang Maggie conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.537, reflecting a decline of 5.76%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal resulting from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? MicroCloud Hologram Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that you hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 26th of August, we anticipate MicroCloud Hologram to open at approximately 5.84 cents and commence trading around 62.8 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on stockinvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.